Díhuit a chóide agus fáilte ras. Hello and welcome back. In this video we're going to take a look at the Irish verb freastail, which is to attend. Freastail. Remember, if you want to learn more Irish words, phrases and verbs, then why not subscribe to this channel and hit that bell notification where you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. So let's get back to this video here on the Irish verb freastail. So we'll start by taking a quick look at the past, present and future tense. So drastal me is I attended, past tense. Drastal me. Freastailim is I attend, present tense. Freastailim. And freastaloig me is I will attend, that's the future tense. Freastaloig me. Drastal she ar an scoil chéine liom féin. She attended the same school as me. Drastal she ar an scoil chéine liom féin. Freastalíonn an scoil ar gach levéal cumis. The school caters for all levels. Freastalíonn an scoil ar gach levéal cumis. Bhí orm freastal ar chruinniú. I had to attend a meeting. Bhí orm freastal ar chruinniú. Tá míad ag iarraidh freastal ar an éileamh. We are trying to answer the demand. Tá míad ag iarraidh freastal ar an éileamh. If you enjoyed this, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to let me know in the comment section some of your favourite verbs and perhaps some sentences using this verb, freastail. Thanks very much, and I'll see you next time. Slán tamó.